Welcome to GUI first video. In this video we are going to just write the the easy example in GUI. You know what is GUI? GUI mean graphical user interface. Okay, it is using when you know the Java language. After that, when you want to just create a real project like calculator, like some gallery or these things, you need to GUI. Okay, I am creating the file. Okay, I am writing a Java file and saving it GUI first. Now my file name is GUI first. After that, let's give a method. Okay, after giving a method, we don't need to add any library. Just by writing the object, the library is importing just directly automatically. Okay, the first thing we should create a frame. To create a frame, we need to write its tag frame. Okay, give a name window JFrame. Let's give a name, for example, GUI first example. Okay, after that it's time to create, to give the size for my JFrame. Okay, window dot set size. Okay, size should be 600 on 600 pixel. Okay, after that we need to key the closing button. Okay, to close the button, or writing the JFrame name dot set default close operation. Okay, we are writing JFrame here again and exit on close. Now my JFrame is created. To show the JFrame after running the program, we should write here window dot set visible and through it. Okay, let's run the file. Okay, my file is in here. I'm compiling it. GUI 1. Okay, dot Java GUI 1. Okay, now this is the frame I created. After creating a frame, it's time to create a panel. We should write JPanel and give a name, like I'm giving a name show. Okay, new JPanel. Okay, after creating the object for panel, you see here the JPanel library is imported. Okay, now let us give a color. To give a color, set background, we are using set background I color dot. Okay, which color? I am giving blue color. Now my panel has a color, the color is blue. Okay, now what should we do? We should put the JPanel inside frame. How can we do that? We can just write the window dot add show. Okay, by writing this command, the JPanel will be inside the JFrame. Okay, let's run it. Java C GUI1 dot Java GUI1. Okay, now here you see the blue page inside the frame is calling panel. Okay, after that what should we do? Let's just print a text. How can we print a text? By writing JLabel. JLabel help us to write a text, and it can do also another things. It can print a picture. Also, it can create a picture and a text. Okay, I'm giving a name here, text, new JLabel. What should I write here? GUI example. Okay, after that I want to show the JLabel, the text inside JPanel. The same thing like here, we're doing it again. Okay, I'm writing show dot add text. Okay, now it show the text. After that, let's create a button. To create a button, I'm writing a JButton. Here just I'm giving a name, new JButton. Okay, let's give a name, click here. Okay, this is my button, and the button should be inside JFrame. Okay, I'm putting the click inside JFrame. Now the text and the buttons inside the JFrame. Okay, let's compile and run it again. GUI1 dot Java GUI1. Now here you see the button and the text is here. Okay, after that let's put the button, for example here GUI1. Let's put the button inside under the text. How to do that? Let's write show dot layout. Okay, new BoxLayout. Okay, after here we should write the show and BoxLayout dot X or Y. It depends on you. Which one do you set here? I select the Y. Okay, now if you run it, Java C Java C GUI1 dot Java GUI. Okay, now here you see it, the button is under the text. Okay, now you see here, let's give another thing. I don't want the text and the button in the left top. I want it just in the center. How to do that? We can just write here text dot set alignment X. Okay, we should write here JLabel dot. Okay, I want it in just in the middle center line. Okay, the same thing for button. Click dot set alignment X. Okay, JButton dot center alignment. Let's compile it again. Java GUI1 dot Java GUI. Okay. Now these things are in the middle. Click on the text. Okay. Let's command the button to do something. Okay, what to do? The button, I want the button, when I click you, print me something different in the place of this text. Okay, how to do that? Let's do that. I'm writing JButton. Okay, click dot add action listener. Okay, for that you are writing here E. Okay, after that you are writing this command and brackets. Okay, now I'm writing the text dot set text. Okay, let's copy it and write here updated GUI is here. Okay, now let's run the final. Java GUI1 dot Java GUI1. Okay, let's, I want the button, when I click on you, update this text, update GUI. Here you see it. When I click on this, this is updating. I want to run it again. Java GUI1. Okay, UI updated.